also want to talk about a challenge that probably many of you already faced. You keep finding the same type of issue in different places, and every time you have to re-enter all the details manually over and over again. It can be very time-consuming, and having to enter fields you have already set dozens of times is a pretty boring task. This is where the clone issue feature in BIMcollab becomes a real game changer. You can clone an issue from two places, the Issues panel and from the online web viewer. But they behave differently, and it is important to be aware of it. Cloning issues from the Issues panel copies only the issues metadata, so the area, type, assignment, priority, etc. It does not copy the viewpoint or the screenshot. You need to manually create a new screenshot or leave it blank. Otherwise, most likely the issue context would be wrong. Cloning from the web viewer also copies the metadata, of course, but it uses your current position in the model to generate a new viewpoint and screenshot. So the issue is contextualized exactly where you're standing in the model. Also note that the title and description are never copied. Once it is important that you can distinct the issues to reflect each situation specifically. This feature was created to speed up your work while preserving consistency. All the critical metadata is carried over, you avoid repetitive typing, and you get an accurate, up-to-date viewpoint when using the web viewer, of course, ensuring that every issue is located correctly in the model. When you first enter an issue, you can clone it, but I want to show it from the web viewer. So I'm gonna just make very quickly a more interesting view that I want to be attached to my issue. So yeah, for example, this one. And then my view is ready. That's what I want to communicate, but actually the metadata is pretty much all the same information that I have in that other issue. So I just click on clone and it is already filled in. And I'm just gonna add a title. So issue from webinar. The description is, this is a problem found in the structure, for example, yeah, something very generic, and then I can create it. And voila, we have the issue very easily with all the fields already filled in.